Are you like me when you vacuum and you don't always want to move the furniture? Hey, I get it because life gets busy and you don't have time to do that deep clean. Lucky I have found this vacuum that will get up under my furniture and make my cleaning routine a lot easier. It picks up all those messes left behind from my husband when he sits in his chair, the 2 large dogs, and the grandkids. And the bonus, it's cordless, so I don't have to fight a cord. And if you're looking to make your cleaning routine faster and easier, I have this vacuum down below in the cart so you can go check it out.